In rural parts of the Central Valley, something as simple as getting to a doctor's appointment can be a challenge in an area that also struggles with poor air quality. A small-town mayor is taking action to help people with their overall health and reduce his city's impact on air pollution. In an Action News original tonight, anchor Jessica Harrington visited Huron to show us a unique approach to help the community and the environment.
About 200 miles north of Los Angeles, California, surrounded by farmland, is the small town of Huron. The nearly 7,000 people who live there are predominantly farm workers with a median household income of $31,000 a year. Just off the town's main road, you'll find the LEAP Institute headquarters, a nonprofit created by Huron's mayor, Ray Leon.
I think farm worker communities deserve the best.
To give residents better access to critical services such as doctor appointments, he created the free rideshare program Green Raiteros.
Raiteros comes from raite. Raite is a Spanglish term that comes from ride.
It's the Green Raiteros because the fleet is made up of 100% electric vehicles which charge right next to the nonprofit's headquarters. As an environmental justice activist and advocate, Leon said it was important they use electric vehicles because the San Joaquin Valley has some of the nation's worst air quality. Experts say one of the main contributors to that pollution is large trucks that use Highway 99 and Interstate 5. Using electric vehicles also allows Leon the opportunity to apply for grants to help fund the program and keep the rides free for clients. The idea for the Green Raiteros came in part from Leon's struggles as a child. He once needed to get to a hospitalized cousin and traveled the 52 miles north to Fresno by bus.
I think it was 13 stops, and it took us 3 hours to get there.
He didn't want his community to have to struggle to get to essential services, so now residents just have to register as a client, reserve a ride a few days in advance, and a driver will pick them up. That's what Jesus Contreras came in to do as we were speaking with the mayor.
Tengo una cita en Baicelia.
¿Cuándo?
El jueves.
¿De esta semana?
Sí.
He needed a ride to a doctor appointment about 50 miles away later that week. Gregorio Hernandez uses the service several times a week to get dialysis, which is about 20 miles away. His wife, Soledad Lemos, says the free rides are a lifeline.
Para nosotros ha sido un gran apoyo.
For us, it has been a huge support.
Hernandez's doctor's appointments are anywhere from 20 to 60 miles away. Before the Green Raiteros, the trips were adding to their cost of health care.
Él tiene muchas citas.
He has many appointments, and the fact is, before we were able to access the service, we were paying $60 to $80 a ride.
Mayor Leon hopes the rideshare program will encourage other cities to see how beneficial going electric is for the environment and give his residents peace of mind to get to where they need to go.
I think what we're doing is providing folks the experience on what it feels like to have, to go from an individual owning a car to a community owning a fleet.
In Huron, Jessica Harrington, ABC 30 Action News.
Thank you for watching. For more videos like this from ABC 30, just make sure to hit that subscribe button below.